Protect nearby shingles by working slowly with the right tools and by isolating the damaged area before you start any removal. Begin by assessing the roof slope and wind direction so you can position yourself safely and avoid sliding debris over nearby shingles. Use a thin pry bar or shingle ripper and insert it gently under the tab you need to lift, working from the lowest exposed edge and easing nails up one at a time with a nail puller rather than forcing the bar under the full tab. If the damaged area is limited, cut out only the affected shingle or cap using a sharp utility knife and a straight edge to preserve adjacent material. When you lift shingles, lift them just enough to clear the nails you are extracting and support the lifted section with a flat piece of wood or a shingle hook to prevent tearing from your hand or tools. Keep a small magnet or container handy to collect pulled nails so you do not scratch or dent surrounding shingles during foot traffic. Finally, seal any disturbed edges with roofing cement applied sparingly under the lifted tab and press down with a flat tool so the adhesive bonds without creating lumps that catch wind or water. A common mistake is prying too aggressively and tearing the shingle granule surface, which weakens weather resistance. The fix is to lift incrementally, free nails first, and use a thin, flat bar to reduce leverage stress. Another frequent issue is cutting too much material when trying to remove a single damaged tab, causing a larger patch and mismatched lines. Avoid this by scoring along the shingle seams and removing only the broken section before sliding in a matching replacement strip. People also forget to support lifted shingles and then step or drop tools on them, producing cracks or nail pops. Prevent that by placing a temporary support underneath and keeping tools in a tool belt or magnet tray away from the work area. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives both parties a place to find and post jobs related to roof repair and other home projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and learn practical techniques from each other.